It really is a good idea to have wedges in your toolbox. They really do come in handy. In this case, I'm using them to adjust the height of a shelf so that it is level while I screw a bracket in from underneath. I had a board that wasn't tall enough, so I placed another sort of scrap piece. I used two wedges. You can squeeze them together, one from this end and one from the other end, and it slowly lifts the support up so that I can get a level shelf. And then that enables me to screw that bracket in under there. So I suggest, pack your toolbox or tool bag with some wedges. They come in handy. In a previous video, I used them also to help me to transfer lines from one side of the wall to the other. But yeah, wedges, they're your friend.